Hi friends, today we see what is Windows Azure. So what is Windows Azure? So it is a cloud based service provided by Microsoft. So in this video tutorial we see what is Windows Azure, what are the services provided by Windows Azure, what is web apps in Windows Azure, and what is virtual machine, and how to create a virtual machine in Windows Azure. Let's start it. So open up a Google Chrome and search for Azure. So go to manage.windowsazure.com. I already sign in Windows Azure, so I open up manage.windowsazure.com. So here these are the services are provided by Microsoft Azure. These are the services I created in Windows Azure: credit status in Windows Azure and subscription level. So okay, here creating new services, then here managing the services. So what is the item selected, this tab will be changed. So go to all items. So what apps you what are the type of services you created in Microsoft Azure? So web apps, virtual machines, mobile services, cloud services, SQL database, storage. So lot of services. So mostly I am using web apps and virtual machines. So I am hosting my website in Windows Azure. So go to himalayatechnology.in. This is designed in Visual Studio 2013 and hosted in Windows Azure. So it has login facilities. So login using Twitter, Facebook and Microsoft, etc. You can also register. So this site is this site was hosted in Windows Azure. So let's see how to create or host web apps. So go click new, compute web app. You can use custom create or quick create. I am using custom create. So website URL testing Windows Azure. So okay, so app service plan, I already have create new app service plan. Then region, this region based on client's location. I am prefer Southeast Asia because my country is in India. So my clients are around India, so I am choosing Southeast Asia. Okay, this database sizes, I am creating free 20 MB SQL database. So this is a testing purpose, so I can delete after that. Choose server. I already create one server, so I can use, or otherwise create new SQL database server. So I am not doing this time. No database. Click complete. Now your web app is created automatically, so it was created, now tested. So we are pricing free. Click here and see what is behind that screen. So this web app has been successfully created. So how you host your website in Azure? Click Himalaya testing, setup deployment credential. So I can download the publish profile, then import in Visual Studio when I am publish the website in cloud. So other way to publish your site, set up deployment from source control. So you can publish Visual Studio Online, local repository, GitHub, Dropbox, and much more. I was prefer Visual Studio Online or GitHub. So close that. So go to all items. How to delete your web apps? Select your web app, click delete. It will automatically delete your web app. So successfully deleted. So now how to create virtual machines? So click new. So click new, compute virtual machine, quick create. Here you can create whatever OS you want. You can create a Windows server. So many type of images already exist. You can create a Microsoft Windows server, SharePoint server, SQL server, BigTalk server. So for Visual Studio usage, dynamic, or you not ready to create Microsoft images, prefer Ubuntu, you can also do that. Ubuntu servers, CoreOS, SUSE, and Oracle. So let's create Windows Server 2012. So here you cannot see Windows 10. You can search Windows 10. So here click, you can create Windows 10 Enterprise in the insider preview also. So I already create a Visual Studio Enterprise 2015 RC with universal Windows tools. It run in Windows 10 Enterprise insider preview build. Okay, click next. So choose your virtual machine name, and what is this? This is the pricing tier. So if you choose a shared core, it has some money. So you can see Azure price calculator. Go to Azure price calculator. Here you see how much money you pay so 14 cores, 19 cores, whatever you want, and A1 A2. Okay, standard, you can switch basic and standard. So here you see basic, standard, so I am using basic and create a low memory. So virtual machine name, testing Himalaya 10. Okay, username, this username is asked for when you are login, then create your password. Okay, click next. Click next. So here also which region you want, so Southeast Asia. Storage, you can create new storage or use already created storage, create automatically. Click next. Click finish. Your virtual machine created in Windows Azure. So I am not doing right now because I am already created this same image. Close that and go to virtual machine. You see Himalaya 10, click that. So this is the help. Then go to dashboard. In dashboard, your virtual machine how much take CPU, so you can see what is going, how much CPU usage, and discretes network out. So these are all information together you can see. So 24 hours. So see how much I am using. So I was using 1.37 GB. Okay, so this way you can monitor your virtual machine. So here reset password. So password means login password. Okay, so it has 4 cores and disk attached. So here it shows size of virtual machine, 4 cores and 7 GB RAM memory. So public virtual IP and internal virtual IP, host name, so DNS name. So this DNS name used to connect you remotely, deployment ID, subscription ID. Okay, so go to monitor. This will be show exactly same as dashboard. Endpoints you can, so this is we are using remote desktop TCP 6368. Okay, configure. You in this configure tab you can scale up your virtual machine at any time without shutdown or downtime for your virtual machine. That is scale up without affecting virtual machine. So you can change this and click save. Okay, you can also go there. I am not doing in that, so discard changes. Okay, so how to connect this virtual machine in a remote desktop? So go to dashboard. Here you see connect. Here you see connect. Click connect. It download remote desktop preference. Click that. So it will show up. So username, to provide your username and password in this window. So this is my local account, so switch to another account. So how to, I was created username as Kannan. So password, so click OK. So what is the problem? The problem is Kannan is sometimes is working, but Microsoft prefer your full domain name, email /Kannan, then give you the password. Click OK. So no need to, so it will connect to my virtual machine. So this is my virtual machine. I was created today morning. Okay, so see how look, so nice. So go to, so each time you how click connect, that is not good. So you use remote desktop connection. So another way to connect remote desktop, close that connection. So clear out. So what is the way to connect? So please note DNS name himalaya10.cloud.net. So what is this 6368? This is the endpoint to connect remote desktop, so public port. So I was, so username already taken, so click connect. I give my password. It will connect my session, remote session. So your RAM, your local RAM have 2 GB or less memory, not fine to run harder application like Visual Studio or 3D model application. You can create a virtual machine and use it. So I am not this is a testing purpose, so you see, so I am testing Visual Studio 2015 in virtual machine. So see, okay, you see Visual Studio. How you publish your web apps? Previously I was downloading, go to web apps, click and download your publish profile. Okay, so go to your web application. So this is a symbol site you can see in browser. So see, it's loading. Come. Okay, see email and password, register as a new user. So it was great. Was forgot. Okay, chat. So display name, see how it's working. Open up another Internet Explorer. Pick up the side by side. So Kathi is my friend. So so how it's work? So actually client server, if client want to receive any data, give request to server, server only send data to client for this requests. So in SignalR, so chatting mechanism behind SignalR, in SignalR client server, if client give request and register the method, then if any changes in server act as client and send to reload the page. So in this chatting application, if any changes, so this changes in server, this changes directly sent to client. So see, this field only change without clicking refresh. This is the mechanism behind that chatting applications. So you can check out SignalR. So you see how to implement a SignalR in application. Okay, so now the time to wind up the session. So how they measure how to sign out. So click sign out to close the remote session. Okay, it's back to my local system. So now we see, go to virtual machine, go to virtual machines, images, disks. So this disk have the OS information. Okay, so this disk located in storage here. So now see what is mobile service. So I am not deeply cover mobile services, so it like mobile services like push notifications, or GCM messaging, likewise. So this purpose using mobile services. If the server or the hike team, like hike application, hike team is sent to message to their clients, like that. Cloud service. So cloud service, I don't know. SQL databases. So this is database, server name, username, like that. Storage, you see, online cloud storage, like I want 200 GB hard disk or 1 TB hard disk, like that. So in Windows Azure have another feature, Windows Azure Premium. In Windows Azure Premium, all services are much faster, but little bit costly. So media services, like your service want to share some video information to client, you can use media services bus. So mobile, Visual Studio Online, so you can, this like team project works. Please check out some other services in Windows Azure. So what is Active Directory? This Active Directory is managing users and user rights, access controls of your Windows Azure. So what is that? So in my organization, some 3 or 4 people using, or 3 or 4 people to publish my websites. So they want to see what is the publishing settings. So I can add the people in my Active Directory. So go to Active Directory, create users and or create groups, like that. So okay, what? So I don't know how to verify this. So domain names. So users, you can create users like this. Licenses configure. Okay, this Active Directory manages all those things, like user activity, like that. So this is important. So create, you can also create here, you can also use third-party applications. Go to how to use third-party application. Click marketplace. Here see Bing search API. So voice output beta. So you can use a third-party cloud service applications also. This is called a platform as service. So you can also use this is a filter out these services. Speech API. So okay, speech API is nice. So which service you want? Promotion code. Okay, it is free for 5,000 transaction per month. So okay, go to back, SendGrid. So you can see many more services. Okay, you can use a free service, but you can send 25,000 mail per month. So reporting. So back here, many more services are there. Mango Lab. So Face API. So you can use a Face API also. So all have limitation. So 20 transaction per minute and 5,000 transaction per month. Okay, promotion code. What is the promotion code? Okay, here only one region are provided because this API only. So you can also provide this type of marketplace services. So now the time to close my tutorial. So let's see. Azure have much more services. If you want to study about my Microsoft Azure, so you can use documentation from Microsoft Azure. So check out that documentation. What is .NET, begin that, all those things. So thank you guys. This time to shut down, sign out to my account.